Hello guys, in this video we'll learn how to choose your captain and vice captain in FIFA World Cup Fantasy 2026. As you can see, I've already formed my team, but I don't have any captain or vice captain now. You can select anyone to be the captain. For now, Kane and Mohammed are auto-selected as captain and vice captain, but I want to change that. If I want Martinez to be captain of my team, how to change that? For that, tap on the Martinez, and here you are provided with two options, either tap on captain or vice captain as per your choice. For now I'll choose vice captain. After you tap on vice captain, you can see a VC logo on Martinez. Now I'm going to make Dembele team captain, so for that tap on Dembele, and here again you have two options, vice captain and captain. I'll make him captain, so tap on captain, and he has been promoted to the captain position. And that's it. This is how you can change your team players position, including captain and vice captain. Please leave it a like if this video helped, and let me know in the comment which one of is your favorite football players.